What's up, everybody? It's your girl Deanna C with Divine Dance All-Star Apparel. I'm here back with another tutorial, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get updates on new tutorials. Now, before we get into our tutorial today, I just want to take the time out to thank everybody who have viewed all of my videos that I have on my channel, as well as liked them, commented, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. Every time I disappear, so to speak, and come back, I always receive the love from my viewers, and I really appreciate that. My goal is to get to 500 subscribers, preferably before the end of this month, but realistic by the end of August, and then eventually to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, I also want to introduce something new that I'm working on. It's called the 5678 Majorette community and podcast. And basically, this podcast will be an extension of Divine Dance All-Star Apparel, where we focus on different issues, questions, and concerns related to the Majorette community. It is designed to assist new team members as well as parents and dancers. So not only are we going to have tutorials, we're going to have discussions, we're going to have interviews, we're going to have video commentary. We may even have a little tea added in there, but it's mainly to inform and educate the Majorette community, because there are a lot of people that are in need of information. I also want to add, if you hear any background noise or screaming or yelling or crying, those are my two children, ages 7 and 2, Caitlin and little Kevin, so just ignore them. But as I was saying, the 5678 Majorette podcast will be launching soon. So make sure that you look out for that. It will still be a part of this channel, so you won't have to go and subscribe to another YouTube channel. It will all fall under the same umbrella. Now, I want to go ahead and get into our tutorial today. Today's tutorial is a bra top and shorts tutorial. Now, I'm going to get a little clever with the uniform that I'm going to use. Now, typically I will purchase my items from either Walmart or from online, and it's typically have been a leotard. But today I want to show you guys a cost-effective way to design a uniform in case you can't order from online, in case Walmart doesn't have what you need, and if you are in a hurry for something quick. I've had a lot of people who have had situations where the uniforms didn't come in, or they got done in by a shiesty designer, or their items were on back order. So this is the opportunity for you to run out and grab something if you need something on hand and right off the bat, as well as for parents if your child has an audition or a solo and they need something to wear, or you yourself as a dancer need something to wear. This is what this is designed for. So I got my bra top from Walmart. It is only about $4 to $5, real inexpensive. And I believe I got it in an adult medium or large. I think it's a medium, maybe a small, I'm not sure. Then I also got my leggings from Forever 21. They run for $3.90. But you can also get some from Walmart. These are some I already had, and I had cut the bottoms off to make leg warmers for another design. But I also have my stretch sequin in purple, and it is 1 1/4 inch, and I got it from Amazon. I have my scissors, I have my push pins and tomato. I also have my hot glue sticks, Gorilla Glue sticks. Make sure they are Gorilla Glue sticks. And I have my industrial hot glue gun. I have a pillow to help stuff my uniform. So basically I have a throw pillow and a regular pillow. This will help filling up the space that you need, or to help stretch out the material, and this will go in place of rolling up the t-shirts that we have used in our previous video. Alright, so basically what you want to do is put or place the bra top over the throw pillow, and then align your sequin and start at the seam and go around. So I'm gonna stop with a commentary, and you could just watch the video on how I did it, and I will come back and add more. Alright, so with the leggings, I want to make some shorts, so I want to cut them, and I aligned it up with some pins, and I used some fringe as a straight line. So this is how you want to use them. You have to make sure that it's in a straight line though, and then you cut along the straight line. And then you want to stuff your pillow. Once again, I'm using the throw pillow because the large pillow may stretch it out too wide. You would want to use that pillow for a full bodysuit or for a plus size dancer. And then I'm going to add the fringe to the back side. And then I'm gonna stop with my commentary here and let you guys watch the video. Alright, so basically I had to put the sequin around the waistband 2.5 times to make sure that the top part of the shorts are fully covered. So I went around 2.5 times to make sure that it was done right. And then I tried to decide what kind of design I wanted to do. So I added the t-shirts into the leg area to go around the leg, as well as do a center design. Now once you have completed that design, your design does not have to be exactly like the one I created, but I just wanted to give you sort of an idea on what to do. So basically that is how you do a simple bra top and shorts, and this was made out of used materials that I've already had. And also, since you guys have been requesting that I do a picture on a person, I used this mannequin, like this real old prehistoric mannequin that I had. So there you guys go. Make sure you like, share, comment if you have any questions or concerns, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.